guys? It is the Kid Icer. Welcome back to another video, and today I have the MacBook Pro. I'm excited. I've never used a MacBook in the past. I've always been a Windows user. So with that being said, I'm excited to see what MacBook has in store. I've used MacBook in the past as far as like maybe in middle school or in high school, but I've never actually owned one and actually played around with it. So I'm just really excited to see what this product will actually do for me. I am going to be editing videos on this thing. I'm going to be working this thing to the T because I really want to see what I have in store. Now, this is the M1 model. I did get the 256 gig model, 256 with 16 gigs of RAM. So I am kind of excited to see again what this laptop can actually do. Hopefully, it'll actually be able to do what it will say it'll do. So with that being said, enough of me talking. Let's enjoy this unboxing.